Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. Another Friday crafternoon. If you're watching this one, then the pattern that I talked about last week has actually gone live. Just thought I would tell you because I know a few people were interested in the little witchy kind of doll, the witchy wreath that we made together. So yeah, that pattern has now gone live on the store. Just wanted to preface with that. So today's video, I am going to be making some more brooms. I'm making a batch of pre-made ones. I'm just doing 4 because they take me so long. I am actually timing the process of me making those just because a few people asked me for actual pre-made ones because they didn't believe in their abilities. I would just like to say, if you think you can make something, just set your heart out to it, especially with a pattern. My patterns actually come with like video tutorials and stuff, like walking you through step by step like how I do it. They're usually 1 to 2 hours long. I've just edited the witch one for the pattern, and that is about 1 hour and 20 minutes, that video. I've cut it down quite a lot because I was just rambling on about things and like going over things. But yeah, the like tutorials and the patterns and stuff, they really walk you through it. So I do believe that anyone can make these if they set their mind to it. It's quite an easy pattern anyway because it's quite like a lot less so in the traditional ones, and there's like quite a bit of fabric painting going on. So yeah, this is May, just in case you don't know. She has these little brooms, as you can see, and these are what I'm going to be making today for that. So I'm going to film that and share how to make the little brooms, and obviously all the rest of this pattern will be included on the pattern and on the pattern exclusive video that comes with that, which will be on my Etsy store down below. I always put a welcome code for like new patterns and stuff, so that is still currently live as well if you wanted to grab yourself a little bargain. But anyway, yeah, this is what we're making today, some brooms. So cinnamon stick for the broom handle. I thought that was a nice touch. You can use like sticks if you want to, and then the bottom like broom part is actually just like raffia. So yeah, this May the doll, she's all finished last year, so I'm going to hang her up in a decorate with me video. If you want to see one of those, then do let me know. I do have quite a few DIYs planned and a few already in motion, so if you want to see those, then yeah, just stick around and just let me know, then I'm happy to share. And then obviously last week we put another one of these Maydolls onto this wreath, which I absolutely love, by the way. So many of you was liking that as well, and I am happy to make up some of these if you want to. I quite like them. I've got a considerable amount on my credit card that I need to clear off, so time spent wisely for me as well. But yeah, really enjoy making these, and I think that's gorgeous. So yeah, we're making the brooms today, so buckle up, get your cinnamon sticks out, your raffia out, and we will get started. Okay, so to make the little broomstick, what you're going to want to do is take some raffia or straw, just whatever this is called. I think it's raffia, isn't it? And around 3 fingers, wrap it nice and tightly. I've got about 2.5 kind of lengths here, and yeah, just until you're happy with the amount that you have. Okay, take it off your fingers like so, and what helps out here is if you just take a mini hair elastic and just tie that kind of around the centerpiece. That will just keep it all together so you can let go of it. Okay, like that. Next, you're going to want to just cut one of the ends down. So cut all those little loopy loops off and spread it so you can get to the centre of that little bundle. Okay, looks nice. So getting into the centre by spreading them all apart, you want to add some hot glue in there. There we go. Just down into the centre. This new hot glue gun of mine with this long nozzle is a godsend for little crafts like this. And then taking a small cinnamon stick, you just want to stab it into all that glue. There we go. Whilst that kind of sets, you can go around and just trim off the top edges. Go. Nice. Now with them frayed out a little bit more again, just go with your glue gun and just glue all the way around that cinnamon stick, and then we can press all of the top edges into it and smudge it in and get them as tightly packed as possible. Some of them won't be secured by the glue, but that's okay, just so long as the majority of them kind of are. And it's all like smudging that in. There we go. Next with the needle and thread, just want to go in and kind of like make a little kind of loop around a couple of those little strands of straw. Like that, just to secure it around, and then you just wrap around 3 or 4 times to keep that nice and tight. Then just create a little knot in those little threads. There you go. And then back the other way, pulling it tight as you're wrapping. And again, just secure that into place with a knot. Now you can remove this little rubber band. There we go. Now we can just cut through those extra loopy loops. Like so. Perfect. And now we just trim the broom's ends. You can trim these in like a little pointed shape if you want, but I like to do mine nice and straight. I'm going to trim those off. There we go. Fluff them out a little bit. And that is pretty much how you make a little mini broom. So that is the end of today's video. I hope you have enjoyed it. Now, let me tell you a secret. I did not film this in real time today because I need to go to Hobbycraft right now and buy some more raffia. And I wanted to get this video done. So the tutorial part of this was actually part of the tutorial of me putting together to May. So you can see it actually done it in real time. But yeah, I'm actually going to go to Hobbycraft and get some raffia to make the like brooms for this batch. I will see what they have in store. If I find anything fun, I will film it and let you know, because I love watching like Hobby Lobby videos from people in America and my cool strips and stuff like that. So yeah, just have Hobbycraft near me, so that's all you get to see. It's quite a small one as well compared to other people's, but still, hopefully they have the raffia. It says in stock that they do, but then sometimes you get in there and it doesn't. But yeah, I do need to make those. The dolls hopefully will be live on, if I get those done today. I just need to do the brooms and the capes, and then the dolls are done. I'm going to say maybe Sunday, something around there, but I'll keep you updated on Instagram, or maybe like do a little short, or just come on and do another little video. I don't know, keep it casual on here. But yeah, hopefully you enjoyed watching this little tutorial today. Hopefully it was helpful. Like I said, the pattern is available if you want to purchase it. If not, then just try and make your own. Do credit me in any kind of like inspo makes of yours, because I love to see them. I'm just being nosy. But yeah, there's May. I hope you love her. I hope you make some mini broomsticks. They can be used for all sorts of things that you haven't got to make them for, like a little doll. You can have them on like a little tiered tray if that's still your thing. You can make them into a garland, all sorts of things. Put them on a wreath, just like have a broom wreath. I mean, why not? It's cute enough. So yeah, hopefully you have enjoyed today's video, and I'll catch you very soon for another one. Don't know what it'll be. It'll be something completely random, I'm sure. Either one of my makes, a haul, a little trip into the shops. I don't know. Whatever comes naturally, I will share. So yeah, hopefully you enjoyed it, and I'll see you very soon for another one. Bye.